Now we start a new topic here, measurement of area in good morning student. Today we start in physics we start a new topic, that is measurement of area in chapter number 2. So what is, how we define it, how we understand. First one, a space that has the shape, that we can draw on a flat surface or plain flat surface. This is the flat surface, not curved surface means the surface of bottle or the surface of a spoon. Okay, surface of a car, that is curved surface. But when we go with a flat surface, on flat surface, if we draw a shape that is known as plane figure, the amount of surface uh, occupied by a plane figure within its boundary, whatever space it is covered, it is known as area. Suppose I have drawn this space on plane figure. So here this area, this whatever space it covered by its boundary is known as its area. Here also, if we are draw a circle, then this area is known as its space. This area, whatever space is occupied, this is known as its area. Okay, this is known as its area. Now we have some formulas for area of some plane figure. First is square, so this is side, and for side we give the symbol A. Okay, so I do A like this by to understand you that this is side, and we symbolize it as A. So what is the formula for area of a square? Side into side, that is A into A. This is a rectangle, and for rectangle, what is the area? Area is length into breadth, that is L into B. Now this is a triangle, and for triangle, this is the area enclosed inside the inside its boundary. Here this is the height, this one is height, and this one is base. For area for triangle, what is the area? Half into base into height, half into base into height, that is half into B into H, B for base and H for height. So like this you can find the area of some plane figure by using the formula, which you can use which you have to use in exercise also. Now we go ahead. Now after that, one more terms comes to us, that surface area for a solid object, that is this is a solid object. So pen is a solid object, this whitener is a solid object. Okay, for solid object such as a block of wood or your pencil box, like that, the total area of its surface. Okay, there are lots of surface. Suppose your book, suppose this is the book, and if you go ahead, there's 8 surfaces. Okay, 6 surfaces. This is one surface, 2 surface, this are 3, 4, 5, and back side 6. So all the 6 surfaces, we have to find the area of all the 6 surfaces, and then we have to add it, then we get the areas, surface area of that solid uh, object. Okay, now the units, we discuss about unit of the area. So SI unit of the area is square meter. For a smaller areas we measure the area in millimeter square or centimeter square, and for the larger areas we are measuring the areas in acres, hectares, or kilometer square. Okay, in this we measure. Now units of areas, it is given to us, and how to express in meter. So 1 millimeter square. So we know that 1 millimeter there are 1 by 1000 meter. 1 by 1000 meter into 1 by 1000 meter equals to 1 by 1 1 billion. Okay, 1 billion in international system it is written 1 billion meter square, and if you go in Indian meter, it is 10 what you call 10 lakhs meter square. 1 by 10 lakhs meter square, and 1 centimeter square equals to 1 by 100 meter into 1 by 100 meter, that is 1 by 10,000 meters square. Okay, 1 acre equals to how much? 10 meter into 10 meter, that is 100 meters square. All this is the unit of area, and we change this one in meter square. Okay, 1 hectare equals to how much? 100 meters into 100 meter, that is 10,000 meters square. 1 kilometer equals to how much? 1000 meter into 1000 meter, that is 10 lakh meter square. Now we second topic is using graph paper to measure the area. By using a graph paper, how we measure the area? Suppose suppose you have given with a regular surface. It is given here. It is a regular surface here, that is square. The number of boxes only we have to in full square, because all of the it cover all the boxes complete. That's why we only count the full square, that is 25. Then we multiply 25 with 1 meter 1 centimeter square, because the area of one small square is 1 centimeter square. Okay. And for irregular surface, how we go? You can look here. First of all, you have to count all the 4 square. I think all of you study this thing in standard 5 also. We have done this when we are studying area. So count all the full square here. We have to count all the full square here, and then count all the half or more than half square. Okay. So here full square is how much? 1, 2, 3, and 4. Half and more than half, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So and then add the number of full square and number of half and more than half square, that is 4 plus 4, that is 8. Then multiply total number of 1 centimeter square to get area. Then we have to multiply this 8 with 1 centimeter square, then we get 8 centimeter square. Then we have to leave, okay, leave all the square which is less than half, or whatever the square which is less than half, we have to leave that number. Okay. So the idea of this what you call this enclosed figure, this figure or this plane figure is 8 centimeter square. So that's all for today. On Monday I give the question answers for this exercise. Okay, checkpoint of chapter number 2, first part, and you have to solve all this by yourself. And on that day also I will explain how to solve this exercise of numericals. Okay, I will explain how to solve these numericals, and rest question you have to write by yourself. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.